How's it going, guys? Today we're going to be building out a DAX table that has sum. So let's just go ahead and get this thing started. First things first, I'm going to show you guys my data table. So this is my data table for the most part. And I just want to go ahead and come here. And we'll just build something out very quickly here. We'll just give all the numbers in there. And this is sum of, we don't want it to sum. It's just going to do it like that. And that way we can just sort it. So it should look like this. We'll just bring this to this side. All right, we don't need categories, so we're going to be doing the sum of the number. And as you can see, it already kind of did the totals here. But if we wanted to do that in a measure, in a DAX measure, all we would do is right click here, and you're going to go to new measure. And we're just going to call this our sum. We're going to make it equal. And we'll just say sum, and we're going to do the sum of the number. Close that parentheses, and then we will have the sum. So in order to add this to our table, all we have to do is just drop it here, and this will give us the sum. And if we do a card, let's just say we wanted to come here and do a card, we'll just drop the sum here, and this will give us our total value for our card. If we wanted to show in a dollar amount, then all we have to do is just come up here and select that dollar amount. And then if we wanted to display the decimal and get rid of this K, then we'll have to format this. So we'll have to come up here, format it, change the display units to none, and this will give us the full total amount. And that is how you create a sum measure using Power BI. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. My name is Carl. Peace.